Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is requested by one of my viewers. In this video, I will show you how you can work with multiple units within the same project. Let's say you have to design a model in method unit, but some of the information you have about the model is an imperial unit. But you don't want to waste your time on converting the unit in calculator. In this case, you can go to Edit menu and then Preferences, and under General section, change this to imperial decimal and make sure this checkbox is on. Now the units are in imperial. Now if I close the window and apply pad feature, the units are still in metric. So changing the units after starting to design a model is temporary. It only applies to the sketch. Now, if you type IN beside the number, it will treat as inches. So you don't have to do the calculations to convert between different units. You can try different units such as FT for feet, M for meter, km for kilometer, and so on. If you want the entire design to be in one unit, then you have to pick the preferred unit from the start screen. Let me pick imperial unit and this theme. Now if I start sketching, the units will be in imperial. Thanks for watching my video and see you soon.